of the research that she had done on the environment in Nairobi as to why this audience is the one she's speaking to and why it's important for the people listening to her to understand what her program called Frankly Speaking is trying to do. I felt that to add to this, there should have been more vocal variety in the presentation. And I think that that really makes people listen to what's going on. The same issues of pauses and of going up and down in rate that you speak with, and the enthusiasm. The enthusiasm was there. You could feel it in her expression when she was sitting down. And maybe had she been facing the audience, then more of you could have seen exactly what was going on. So in future, when we do have radio presentations like presentations, then we should have people facing the audience so that they know what's going on. I was a bit intrigued about the questions that were presented to Rosie, and I thought that the questions should have been more extemporaneous, which means questions that she did not expect 100%. So there should have been questions that she thought might have come up, but not questions that she knew for sure. That way we could have seen a lot more impromptu and action, rather enthusiasm and vocal variety in answering those questions. My time's up. So the verdict. The verdict is, I think that she did enough to pass the project, and she should move on to the next.